Dear friends, Namaskar. I am Dr. Nutan Prakash Vishwakarma. As in this particular video, I am going to teach you that how to install the R language so that you can proceed for the statistical analysis by using R language. So to run the R language, basically you require two software. One is R, that is available on the cranrproject.org, and the second software which is very necessary, that is known as RStudio. Why RStudio? Because we are going to work with R only, then why we need the RStudio? If you have the prior experience of any programming language, you might be knowing that there is a certain syntax to write down any kind of the programs. So to code something in a language, thousands of syntax are there, and definitely it is not possible for a person to remember each and every syntax. So there is softwares known as IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So if you cannot memorize the thousands of, you don't have the strong memory power, even you don't want to memorize, then IDE will help you to code in the R language. So this is the basically interface, you can say, which is working between you and R language. R language will work in the background, and in front you will see the RStudio. So whenever you code something in the R language, if any kind of the error is there, or it is going to assist you if you code something just one or two alphabets, it is going to suggest you that we'll see while we move for the practical session, that automatically it will suggest you that you don't have to type whole sentence. It will suggest you that did you mean this. If you click over it, so your coding speed is going to be very fast, and it will be very easy to see the output, as well as if any error is there, then it will be very easy for you to debug it, right? So for that one we use the R Studio. Even if you use only R, it doesn't matter that you will not be able to code. Definitely you will be able to code, but the accuracy and the time is going to take more. So be smarter, and we can use two softwares, the R language and RStudio. The link for both the softwares are being given in the description box. You can copy paste and you can install the softwares. So how to install the software? Just copy the URL of R language. Here you can see, once I typed up cran.r project.org, here directly straightforward I can get the option that download R for Windows. If I click over here, you can see here it is showing you install R for the first time. If I click over here, see what is going to happen. Here it will again show you the option that is download R 4.1.2 for Windows. So if I click over here, since I am using the Windows operating system, so once I click over here, I started downloading the executive file of R language. The version is 4.1.2. At the time when you are using it, maybe the version is upgraded. That doesn't make any kind of the difference. You can download it, and just like you know how to install any kind of the software, just simply click double click over here there and follow the next, and definitely your software is going to be installed. That is not a big deal. Everybody knows how to install the software. So once you install the R language, then after that you have to install the another software that is known as RStudio, the IDE, Integrative Development Environment. So the link is already given in the description box. Copy paste here. Once you copy paste here, this page will be open, and here you can see you want to install the RStudio. So here are two versions of RStudio. First is the RStudio server, second is the RStudio desktop. For personal use, you can use the RStudio desktop. Let me click over here. It will again show you some comparison. Here simply, if you are using the Windows one, the Studio desktop, that is a pro version, definitely you have to go for the payment. But for the personal use, you can use the download RStudio desktop. Let me click over here. Once I click on the download RStudio IDE, here you can see and many options are there. For personal use, you can use RStudio desktop and click over the download. Again, it's showing the option download RStudio for Windows. Let me click over here, and automatically the downloading of RStudio will start. Once the downloading is start, just double click over there, click on next instruction, and your RStudio will be getting installed. So now you learn how to install the R language and RStudio. Now once both the softwares are installed, what we can do, just go on the run, type RStudio, and now you can see the very simple interface of RStudio. First time it will take some time. So RStudio interface basically can be categorized in 4 windows. Gradually, once we'll do the coding and all analysis, you will learn. So total 4 things you will be able to see. The first one, this one is known as script window. Here you can type your script. This is known as your console, CONSOLE. And here, whatever variables you will assign here, whatever value you assign here, that you can watch it here. And here you can get the, especially once you are analyzing the statistical data, here you can find the files, whatever plot you will draw, that you will find the output, you will find it here, that I will show you how to do that. So as of now, it's all set. You learn how to install the R language and RStudio and the simple interface. This is the script window, this is console window, this is environment window, and this is the output window. So this is the 4 simple interface. So from the next video, I will directly start using the statistical data analysis. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that whenever I upload the video, you can get the notification, and just sparing 5 to 10 minutes in a video, gradually you will be confident for the statistical data analysis. One more appeal I would like to do with you people, that if you are very new, the beginner in the statistics, the theory portions would be very clear to you. For that one playlist is available on my channel. Name is Biostatistics. In that, if you go, along with lot many examples, I have explained all the concept of the statistics. So if you learn theory first, then you come to the practical, then it would be great. And if you know the statistics, then not a problem. Stay tuned with me. I'll teach you how to go for statistical analysis using R language. So we'll see you in next lecture. Till then, take care. Namaskar.